All right, you're looking at the new Philips Hue Play Light Bar set. This is a brand new product from Philips Hue. I love all of their products. I have them all over my house. I'm mainly an Apple person, so I use them primarily with Siri, but I do have them set up with Alexa too, and they are really fantastic. I can't say enough good things about them. And just the ability to turn your lights on and off with your voice, all the color features and automations you can do. It's really a cool thing and a cool way that you can, take your house and make it a smart home. And so I'm really excited about these products. These are going to go behind my TV. I have another one that I purchased as well, so I have 3. And the way this works is this is the black version. There is a white version as well. And you have a main bar, and then there's an extension. So you can buy just a main bar on its own and the extension separately. They're different prices. I think the extension alone is $10 cheaper. But this is one of their new lights that they made specifically to just create ambience and then also work with your TV. So a lot of people have taken the light strips that Hue makes and put them on the back of their TV, which I have done as well. And it wasn't the greatest system. It looked great, but getting the actual light strip on was kind of a pain, and it was not really made for TV. So this is a little bit different. So let's unbox this. Again, this is a black version. I don't know if I mentioned that. There is a white as well. And so let's check this out. So as you can see here, there's also a stand. You can just stand it up and kind of have it reflect off the wall different colors. Let's see here. There's a picture of it behind the TV. Oh, I'm sorry. That has it on the table, just illuminating the TV, not necessarily behind it. But we'll see in a second the accessories that it comes with. So with one bar, you can connect up to 3 bars total. So 2 extensions. So I can add another extension, which I'm going to do, and then all is from one power source. So you don't need to plug each device into the wall. Just one power source will power up to 3. All right, so here is inside the box. Just some standard information, serial numbers, that kind of thing. All right, and here are the light bars themselves. So I noticed this with the box, but the product looks smaller to me than I realized initially, but it's pretty cool. It's got kind of a matte finish on top, and it looks like it has screws here for the different types of stands. So let's take this out. All right, so yeah, they're both hardwired connections on the back. I don't see anything indicating which one is the main unit and then what's the separate unit, but we'll get to that in a second. All right. So let's put that out of the way. All right, so these, I believe, are the stands, if you just want to stand them straight up. And let's see if that's right. Actually, this might be it. Okay, there's adapter for power, which I'm guessing this is the wall plug right here. Yeah, just slides in there. Oh, I see. And you can just plug it up to 3 for 1. Ah, okay. Cool, interesting. So that's that. I thought they daisy chained or connected off each other, but I guess that's not the case. Okay. Cool. And so then you have some 3M adhesives here, as well as an Allen wrench and screws. So, okay, yeah. So these are the bases for having it on the table, and you can see here you can even suction them to the table if you want. So that would maybe attach. Yeah, it's got to attach to the bottom there. So that would screw in there. And then these guys, oops, drop in the adapter there. So these are what would suction to the TV. So you put the 3M back here, and then you would just screw it on there, and that would stick on the back of your TV. So I'm gonna do that. I have a Sony TV that I'll connect to these two, as well as the additional one that I have. And then yeah, I'll do a video kind of reviewing the product after I've used it. But I'm really excited about these. Just really quickly before we end here, these lights there we go. Yeah, so 530 lumen per each light. So yeah, you can see right here, 2 bars, 1 power unit, table stand, and TV mounts. So really excited to check these out and see how they work. So Philips Hue, again, I can't say enough good things about them, and this is going to be much more functional, I believe, than the light strip I was using before. So check these out. These are the light bars by Philips Hue. And until next time, see you later.